Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as the cross what here aldol condensation reactions. Yesterday we take the what is a aldol condensation reaction. Today we take the question what is a cross aldol condensation reaction. You know what is aldol condensation reaction? So the aldol means a aldehyde means two similar aldehyde is two different aldehyde which contain a alpha hydrogen is react to each other to form the alpha beta unsaturated what here aldehyde and ketone called as the aldol condensation reaction. But here question is that what is a cross aldol condensation reaction? Clear hai beta? So what is the definition there? So when are two different aldehyde which contain a what here? When two different aldehyde contain a alpha hydrogen are react to each other, it may be aldehyde different or it may be ketone. So when two different aldehyde and ketones are react to each other to form the alpha beta unsaturated hydrocarbon or what here the aldehyde, it is called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. Clear beta? Both are different. The question asked in examination, what is the aldol condensation reaction? Second, what is the cross aldol condensation reaction? Both are different. When a two similar aldehyde and ketone, when a two similar aldehyde or two similar ketone are react to each other, which contain a alpha hydrogen to form the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and ketone called as what here the aldol condensation reaction. Whereas are two different aldehyde and ketone, both aldehyde different or both ketone are different are joined together to form the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and ketone called as what here cross aldol condensation reaction. Now it is example here. For example, we take the one molecule of ethyl aldehyde is react with second molecule of propyl aldehyde. So we take the example here beta. Okay. So when a propyl aldehyde formula CH3 single bond C attached to what here the CH2 single bond C double bond OH, it's called what here propyl aldehyde. What is called as its name propanol. What propanol? Because we replace the E when we write the IUPAC name of any aldehyde with CH group with aldehyde, so we replace the E from the propane by Al called as propanol. Is also the IUPAC name is given compound. So when a propanol or what here propyl aldehyde is react with the ethyl aldehyde formula CH3 COH, it is called what here ethyl aldehyde or methyl aldehyde we take here. So how many carbon? Two carbon called what here? So two carbon called ethane replaced by Al called as what ethanol. So when a propanol means both are aldehyde but a different aldehyde. So when two different aldehyde are joined together or react to each other and loss of small molecule like water and to form the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde called as what here cross aldol condensation reaction. So now we take the reaction. This reaction takes place in presence of what here, especially in presence of what the heating, as well as in presence of a catalyst like dilute NaOH. What here? Dilute NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Now what we get? First we get a what here? Alpha beta complex. It means this one hydrogen from this CH3 attached to the oxygen. So what we get answer? So we get answer here CH3 single bond CH2 as it is this C and this OH will be both as what here H and remaining this CH2 attached to COH. It is called what here? It is called alpha hydroxy or beta hydroxy. What alpha carbon? It is a beta carbon. So what we get? We get a beta hydroxy. What here? The aldehyde. Okay. So when a beta hydroxy aldehyde is further react with this beta hydroxy aldehyde is further on losses of small molecule like what here H2O H here. So OH from this carbon and H from this carbon. This CH to also write as what here? इसको बेटा ऐसा लिख सकते हैं लोग H. तो यहाँ से हमने क्या लॉस किया बेटा? H2O लॉस किया. So what we get? We get a CH3, CH2, single bond CH, double bond CH, attached to COH. It is called what here? Alpha. It is called what here? Beta. So alpha beta unsaturated. Why is it unsaturated here? Because it is carbon double bond. So alpha beta unsaturated what here? CHO called what here? Aldehyde. It is called as what here? Cross aldol condensation reactions. ठीक है बेटा, simple reaction है. When two different aldehyde are react to each other, each contain alpha hydrogen. It is a function group is called what here? Alpha carbon. Each alpha carbon has alpha hydrogen. It also called alpha carbon alpha hydrogen. So where two different aldehyde or ketone are react to each other containing alpha hydrogen and losses of the water molecule to form the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and ketone called what here? Cross aldol condensation reaction. Aldol means Al called as the suffix what here? Prefix of aldehyde and what here? DOL called as suffix what here? ALD is the suffix of prefix of aldehyde, whereas OL is the suffix of what here? Alcohol. It means in this reaction, in the first step to form the aldehyde, that is alcohol. This called what here? OH called alcohol. Means what here? Al, and this called what here? CHO called aldehyde. So this is called aldol. And पहले स्टेप में क्या होता है? aldol बनता है, और सेकंड स्टेप में क्या बनता है? अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड क्या होता है? aldehyde बनता है. इस तरीके से बेटा क्रॉस रिएक्शन होती है. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है बेटा. क्वेश्चन ऐसा आएगा. What is the aldol condensation reaction? Explain the reaction. वो पूछे गया. What is the cross aldol condensation reaction with example? ठीक है बेटा. Simple reaction है. Now we take the second reaction. Reaction number second. It is called what here? So now we take the second reaction. Categorical reactions. We take the reaction number next. Point number H we take here. H reaction is called what here? The categorical reaction. The cross called what here? The example of which reaction? The example number what here? H is called what here? Categorical reactions. CANNIZORO. Categorical reactions. The categorical is the name of scientist. He give the reaction. It is called what here? The categorical reactions. Okay. What is the categorical reaction? So this reaction is defined as when a aldehyde, especially formaldehyde, it means when aldehyde does not contain a alpha hydrogen. देखो याद रखो बेटे दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? Both are same, different what here? Alpha hydrogen. If any aldehyde which contain alpha hydrogen and to join together to form the what here? Aldol condensation reaction or cross aldol condensation reaction. Whereas when any aldehyde it does not contain alpha hydrogen are joined together to form the what here? Any compound called what here? Canezzaro reaction. Now we take the chemical reaction. So where two molecule of aldehyde, especially formaldehyde. So two molecule of what here? Formaldehyde. What is formaldehyde? Means any compound does not contain alpha hydrogen. So it is example of what here? Formaldehyde. So two molecule of formaldehyde is react with a sodium hydroxide with NaOH. What we get? So when a formaldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen, because CHO का function होगा, इसके बाद का कार्बन जो है कार्बन है क्या? H है. It is not alpha hydrogen. If any carbon attached to the function group, CH is the function group of aldehyde. अगर यहाँ CH से हट जाएगा कार्बन होगा बेटा, तो ये अल्फा कार्बन होगा. अदरवाइज वो अल्फा कार्बन अगर रहा तो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन रहता है. तो यहाँ कार्बन है कि नहीं? It does not alpha carbon alpha hydrogen. So when alpha the formaldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen or react to the NaOH to form the what here? The compound called as the what here? Sodium formate and methanol. What here? Sodium formate and methanol. So Na clear? Attached to what here? Sodium formate. So we take the one molecule here. HCOO Na plus remaining here CH3OH. It is called what here? Sodium formate. And so it is called what here? Methanol. It means when a two molecule of formaldehyde is react with NaOH to form the sodium formate and methanol, called as what here? Cannizzaro reactions. क्लियर बेटा? अब रिएक्शन समझो बेटा, नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन की बेटा यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ पर बेटा हमने पहले वन मॉलिक्यूल एल्डिहाइड का उसको NaOH से रिएक्ट किया, क्लियर है? तो यहाँ का जो ONA है उसको हमने शिफ्ट किया कार्बन के पास, क्या बन गया वो? What we get HCOONA. Remaining part, remaining molecule part here is one molecule, one hydrogen, is one hydrogen, clear? Okay, this one hydrogen, what we get? And this carbon we get a CH3, a remaining part, this O and this one H, called as what here? CH3OH. So sodium formate and methanol. Example number first. Now we take example number second. So in example number second, we take the two molecule of benzaldehyde. So what we get? So two molecule of benzaldehyde is benzene attached to what here? So when a benzaldehyde especially, so COH, two molecule of benzaldehyde is react with the, here we get the KOH. What we get here? Both are base KOH. So what we get here? First molecule same here. What we get? The benzene attached to COOK, clear? What we get? Benzene is what here? COOK. Remaining part, second molecule what we get here? Benzene attached to the CH2OH. It is called what here beta? Sodium. What here? Potassium benzoate. It is called what here? The benzyl alcohol. What we get here? It is called benzyl alcohol. So third example we take here. Similarly, so third example, when okay. So in this way we finish here the question. What is the Cannizzaro reaction? So when similar aldehyde does not contain hydrogen or react with the NaOH or KOH, it form the what here? Methanol or alkane as well as methanol or alcohol as well as what is sodium formate. रिएक्शन से में बताया यहाँ पर aldehyde दिया था, यहाँ पे formaldehyde है, यहाँ पे क्या benzaldehyde दिया है, यहाँ NaOH दिया है, यहाँ पे KOH दिया है. रिएक्शन सेम होती है बेटा. पहले कंपाउंड की रिएक्शन कब हो रही है? ये बेंजीन CO एज इट इज ले रहे हो और यहाँ का जो O है ये O के को यहाँ पर अटैच कर दिया. तो क्या बन रहा है? बेंजीन COOK. रिमेनिंग पार्ट जो बचा है बेटा, अभी बेंजीन वन मॉलिक्यूल, क्लियर है? तो यहाँ का वन मॉलिक्यूल, यहाँ का C, क्लियर है? और यहाँ का H और यहाँ का H, ठीक है? तो व्हाट वी गेट हियर? बेंजीन CH2OH. सो इसका नेम क्या है बेटा? पोटेशियम बेंजोइट. इसका नेम क्या है बेटा? बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. In this finish here two reaction. First called as cross aldol reaction. Second is called what here? Cannizzaro reaction. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है बेटा? In the aldehyde aldol reaction or cross aldol reaction, it contain alpha hydrogen, whereas in the Cannizzaro reaction does not contain alpha hydrogen. Clear है? Similarly, it also has the aldol Cannizzaro reaction as well as cross aldol reaction, whereas it is also the Cannizzaro reaction in what here? Cross Cannizzaro reaction. दोनों में चेंज क्या है बेटा? When the two similar aldehyde or ketone are react to each other and which contain alpha hydrogen to form the alpha beta aldehyde called as the what here? The aldol condensation reaction. Whereas two different aldehyde or ketone are react to each other contain alpha hydrogen are to form the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and ketone called as what here? Cross aldol condensation reaction. Whereas the Cannizzaro reaction, when two similar aldehyde, especially formaldehyde, does not contain alpha hydrogen, is react to each other to form the what here? The any compound of the alcohol or sodium or potassium formate or benzoate. It is called what here? Cannizzaro reactions. When two different what here formaldehyde are react to each other, it does not contain alpha hydrogen. It form the any compound called as what here? Cross Cannizzaro reactions. तो बेटा हम क्रॉस का जो रिएक्शन जो है तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखिएगा। हमने क्या देखिए अभी क्रॉस अल्डोनस रिएक्शन देखा बेटा, रिएक्शन